Tugo finally found out that his father is cheating with Dintle, so he went to attack his father and went to attack with Dintle as well. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Upototo was chatting to Tutugo and sort of let it out to Uti, it must be about the affair his father is having with Dintle, not knowing that Tutugo does not know about this. Wakwaton Tutugo Kanunabo went to attack his father, telling him, what kind of a father are you? How could you cheat on mom while she was sick? First it was see with that psycho, now Dintle. What kind of a man are you? But we had like Baba Kenqindi, and then he held him and then said, calm down, Umadlome had to come, and Nomabomngani, they just like broke the fight. Wasuguntu Tugo went to Dintle's boutique, got there and said, good Dintle, how could you do this? Why would you let this happen? Lana. What kind of a person are you? What are you teaching your child? Dintle but no, please stop. My child is here. Ati, is that what you're teaching her? Someone must tell you, Guti, lento yenza is rubbish. I feel umadloma lamule. And then Unhloso tells his uncle that he lost his job. His uncle gave him a job as an assistant at the butchery. Told him, I can't match your salary, but at least it's something. And then Usumite calls the staff, tells them that Unhloso is no longer working with them. But Umtuns will now work with them. Umtuns will now be managing the supermarket and managing the center as well. And then Umncane goes to Semide to tell him, we're all trying to look out for you, but what you just did now, so Xosha Nonhloso, lo muntu lo uthembe yena lo uzokujikela. Semide did not even want to hear it. Athi nje umntwanami, what is it about umthunzi? All of you must just get out of here nje as long as nginomthunzi, right? Umthunzi was so happy to hear ukuthi babakhe uthi as long as he's there, he and I sorted. Khopolo found out ukuthi Nhloso uxoshiwe, went to apologize and said, I'm sorry you lost your job. I swear I did not mention your name. And then goes to Semidiata, why is uxosha Nhloso manje? Athi wena ungangeni indaba zami. If you want us to get along and not go back to the past ukuthi asikhulumisani, just let this go. Ajabule komthunzi ukuthi now he's alienating ubhuti wakhe no Semide, and then offered ukuthi they must have a drink together. Hi decides to poison him. Umthunzi puts pills in Semide's drink. And then one of the kids is having hiccups that are going like just sort of going on non-stop. Magogo Matubele came to the rescue. Ka Pampiri a white most fatlahong, but Chloe wasn't happy about this, saying that it's so unhygienic that she's putting saliva on her baby's forehead. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.